Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where today I'm flying this helicopter I got for Christmas, as you know from my Christmas special video, and today I'm going to fly it as I just said. I don't know why I just repeated that. Okay, it's on. I'm just going to put it on the floor here for a second, so start now. And now, moment of truth. Turning that on. Alrighty, so. Oh. And there. Oh, did he see it there for a second? Oh my goodness. Nope. It just landed on the couch. It's gonna take off. This thing's fun. I'm just gonna sit down. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, and by the way, today's Cinco de Mayo, and later today I'm gonna buy some shrimp for my beta fish tank. And if you really want to see them, I'm gonna go upstairs to let you see them for a second. So yeah, I'm buying shrimp for Mr. Beta today. That's after my power skating hockey thing, which is at about it ends at 3:15. It starts at 2:30, so it's just like a quick little thing. Here he is. It's his tank. There he is. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Did you like your breakfast? I fed him. Okay guys, I fed him this. Daphlinia, I think. Wait, no, it's Daphlinia. He liked it. I'm gonna feed him after I get home from my hockey thing with the new shrimp. Which are gonna eat all the foods that he doesn't eat on the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to flying to end off this video. Bye.